was the last time you personally imported a spreadsheet into Quickbase? So we've got people who have done it this week, 4 weeks, 2+ months ago. Okay, good to know. And we got a lot of people answering that question. All right, the next one, what's the biggest pain when importing spreadsheets into Quickbase today? Oh, I got some good responses. I don't know if you can see. If I scroll down, I wonder if I could see the bottom. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is really good. Anything from this list that really makes you interested in talking about it?
If I understand correctly, these are pain points related to the legacy import.
I would agree. I think this is many different ways of saying matching fields to columns.
Yeah, this is a hard one. This is what I was referring in the like data migration world, like headaches. It's always like difficult.
Yeah.
That's why it was my goal to have this, like you have a column and it just moves inside Quickbase. You don't need to like look like this like connection meme that is circling the web, like with this person with the thread in the back, you know, like it should be really smooth.
What outcome matters the most for AI assisted import?
I see this recurring piece of feedback about the interactivity, and I really want to sneak peek into the topic of interactivity and generally app building, since I've been mostly busy with app building inside Quickbase since I joined. So we are looking for ways to improve this. And as I mentioned earlier, as the LLMs get more reliable, I think that in the months to come, we will have some big progress in that direction. And if somebody has any precise ideas or precise frustrations, I'll leave my contact information and I'll be happy to jump on a call and listen to exactly the type of malleability and interactivity that you would expect from these features.
Which capability would most improve AI spreadsheet import tool for you? We've got 3 out of 14 answers, so we want to see if we can get a couple more. Interactivity, haven't tried yet. Right now it doesn't seem faster than importing it. Oh, that's interesting. Do you have any feedback on that, Georgi?
I'm not sure I really properly understand the last bit. Do we compare this import with the legacy import?
Yeah,
like...
I think so. I think that's what they're thinking.
Okay. The legacy import is it's very stable, but it's a different type of import. So it's generally you need to import one big CSV and then cut it inside tables, and it generally takes a bit more of Quickbase skills to make an app out of a spreadsheet. Whereas for AI spreadsheet import, we really wanted to pretty much move the tabs from the spreadsheet into data inside tables inside Quickbase. So in that sense, I personally feel it's faster. But maybe this comment has some different elements to it that I'm not able to grasp.
Makes sense. And if there are some nuances that you found in the experience, do let us know. Go ahead and post it in the chat. We are using the chat as a place to gather feedback as well. So if you're feeling that there's not much of a difference or there's still complexity to your spreadsheets that's making the AI spreadsheet tool not as usable for you, let us know. That's why we're asking this question, so thank you for that. Another one is relationship building. Are you finding that relationship building is a lot easier with that AI spreadsheet import, or looks like people are going back and having to refine their relationships? Is that a common?
So, you know, when you're working with an AI, it's non-deterministic, and sometimes some relationships might be a bit imperfect. But generally, I've seen that, especially in these more complex scenarios, it's stable. It hasn't had any major hiccups. But if somebody believes that we could have made a relationship better, I'm very open to catching up offline and to investigating the precise case, because there are many different varieties of spreadsheets, and I'm always happy to learn more about how a spreadsheet may look like and what expectations we may have for the relationships. It's something that I'm very invested in, and it's so when we were building this feature, we knew that it's always going to be the progress will never stop pretty much. Like we have always we're always able to listen to feedback and build on top, because there are big varieties of spreadsheets that can come our way. And this is how I understand the favored feedback, that in most cases it's nice, sometimes it needs a bit more attention, and this is exactly the cases where I would want to like learn more.
Let's see here. So that other one, match on fields, that isn't quite unique. I don't know what that means.
So I think this is when we use an alternate, you're not using the key to match fields, but you can match data via other attributes. So, but I don't think that's a capability yet, is it, Georgi?
I'm not 100% sure that we have this right now.
Being able to import into existing apps as a new table, not just starting a new app from scratch. Oh,
yep.
Okay.
This is an important one. So we started this feature with the idea to build an infrastructure to generally be able to import and make it stable and fast. And now that we are wrapping up the scope of importing like stably and quickly inside Quickbase, it's on our radar to move to this next step, to start importing and investigate how we'll be able to import into existing apps. And I'm already in contact with some of our customers who are like sharing some use cases. I know that some of you do have these spreadsheets which are generated on a regular basis, and you need to import into existing apps. And I would understand that generating a new app anytime is not very convenient for all of you. So this is something that's definitely on our radar.